let's pick 3 over x as our u value. Since this is kind of stuck up in here, it's kind of hard to deal with that other than just calling that u. And then that's going to make du be, well, you might want to rewrite this. Instead of calling this 3 over x to the first power, call it 3 times x to the -1 power. So then du would be bring the power down, lower the power by 1, put the dx in there, and then if you want to move this back to the denominator, you can. And so I always have to just kind of take a guess on what I think u should be. But now that I'm looking at making these substitutions, this stuff would be e to the u. And what else I have is over x squared dx. And I have over x squared dx. But I've also got this -3. So my next line, let me write out exactly what I have over here to the left. I have a 1 over x squared dx. So to get from this side to this side, I'm dividing by -3. So this side needs to be divided by -3. So the only substitution you can do for 1 over x squared dx is -1/3 du. Okay, so that's certainly the hardest part of the question, because now e to the u is what would give you the derivative of e to the u. Oh, we need to update our bounds. So, okay, sorry. This is not a indefinite integral, it's a definite integral. So you do need to be careful that you don't copy these down too quickly. This x equals 1 and x equals 3, the current bounds, that's when you're talking about x values. We're switching the integration to be in terms of u, so we need to switch these. So plug 1 in here and you would get 3 over 1. So 1 becomes 3, and then plug 3 in here and you get 3 over 3, which becomes 1. So 3 becomes 1. So now the reason why I forgot that for just a second, you can see. But with the indefinite integral, I would need my plus c. But with the definite integral, we don't have to keep up with the plus c, but we do have to keep up with the limits of integration like this. Okay, so now we will plug in 1 the first time, e to the first, plug in 3 the next time, and then subtract those values. And I don't know, I'm going to go with that. -1/3 times e minus e cubed. So if we needed an approximate decimal answer, I would go with that. But the directions also did say to check the question. So this was number 79. So alpha window, option number 4 for me. We integrated 1 to 3 of e to the 3 over x over x squared dx. Okay, so calculator is about to do the same process that we did and approximate it, so it should be the same decimal as our answer, and if not, we had a mistake somewhere that we needed to go find, but it looks like those are the same, so that confirms.